Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are a Sharepoint admin or the site owner. Without that, you cannot change sharing settings. Once confirmed, decide whether you want organization-wide access or true anonymous/public access. This matters because tenants often restrict anonymous links. Make sure to back up important site content before proceeding so you can revert if necessary. Now open the Sharepoint site settings and navigate to Site Permissions to begin changing sharing behavior. This is the first actionable step. Once in Site Permissions, you need to configure both tenant and site-level sharing policies so they align. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to check tenant sharing restrictions. Make changes there first if needed, because site-level options cannot exceed tenant limits. Then return to the site and enable external or anonymous link creation as required. Make sure to choose link types and expiration settings for security. If enabling public anonymous links, confirm audit logging and review policies to monitor access. To finish, create a sharing link and test it in an incognito browser or with an external account to verify visibility. This proves the site is accessible as intended. Next, refine permissions, assign visitors read-only, members edit carefully, and keep owners limited. If the link fails, check tenant-level sharing settings, conditional access policies, and Azure AD external collaboration restrictions. Often one of those prevents public access. Finally, document changes and set link expirations to reduce long-term exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.